You must have noticed how rapidly the use of illustrations is increasing in the marketing world. Brands are shifting from regular text copies to well-illustrated designs. Some brands even prefer illustrations over genuine photographs. Illustrations have existed since the 18th century, but earlier they were not that popular in the field of advertising and marketing. But in the last few years, digital illustrations have become a new trend. Every day, new illustrators are emerging and new tools are arriving in the market. Hey guys, my name is Asta from PaperVideo. In this video, I will tell you the importance of illustrations in advertising and the types of illustrations you should incorporate in your marketing plan. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. What is a digital illustration? Digital illustration is the creation of visuals through digital tools. Illustrations are quirky, colorful, and playful graphics that communicate information entertainingly and organically. Also, they can evoke sentiment easily. Importance of illustration in marketing. In the digital world, visuals are becoming more important than ever. So creators are trying different ways to create attractive visuals. Let's understand how illustrations can enhance marketing. Better communication. A good communication approach is essential in marketing. Visual communication is far more convenient than textual communication. People love colorful images, and illustrations amazingly evoke emotions. Advances your content. Illustrations can help you advance your content. Your well-researched content can fail if graphics are not eye-catchy, but appropriate illustrations can definitely promote your content very quickly. Uncomplicate the concepts. Not every person can understand every concept, so sometimes people don't understand the language of any specific niche. At that time, illustrations and visuals can help a lot. Attract attention. It's tough to reach the target audience and grasp their attention, mainly in marketing on social media channels. When we scroll through the feed, we see the flood of news, images, and other stuff. And in such situations, illustrations can be a blessing. They can separate your post from the crowd. So in a nutshell, we can say that illustrations can benefit your marketing method. Now, you have understood the meaning and importance of illustrations. But the next question is where to start? What are the trending types of illustrations at the moment? Where shall you start? 3D illustrations. 3D illustration lets designers show their creativity in a detailed way. 3D designs attract customers' attention very quickly because they seem more vibrant compared to 2D designs. This trend has popped up online throughout the last year and still it is that popular. These illustrations can be useful for website designs, digital interfaces, social media, and everything in between. Flat illustrations. Flat design illustrations have been the simplest, though popular type of illustrations. It entirely relies on shapes and colors to communicate the idea. Many brands are following this trend because it is simple to create. Abstract illustrations. Abstract art is a modern form of art that does not express general images. It holds color, lines, and shapes, but they don't create objects. Abstract illustrations look attractive, but sometimes they fail to convey the message to the general audience. Motion illustrations. Motion illustrations are becoming popular day by day. Flat illustrations are in trend, but the audience gets attracted more quickly when you convert flat illustrations into animations. Now, what are you waiting for? Go and start implementing these ideas in your marketing plan. But there is no hard and fast rule to create the designs. You can create your designs according to your idea and even invent your own illustration type. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Share any tips that worked for you in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching.